Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Markets. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see on Friday, 0.01% positive move, 162.365 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in this week. So let's straight away go to a weekly chart and let's see what happened during this week. So in USD JPY, we can see a good bullish candle with a small body, lower body, and with a big body and a small lower wick and a medium or a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 92 level, which is indicating as a negative move because it is around overbought area. So here it is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart currently. In this 1-day chart, we can see good amount of momentum or a sideways momentum if we see the daily chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. I am just marking some levels which are above or which are at all-time high. So you can also mark this level if you want to, which will help if the move comes around this level as well. So you can mark this level. Now let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 162.365 is the closing. Here the direct support is 162.253, direct resistance is 162.5. Here after direct support there is a support of 162 and after that 161.804. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 162.750 and then 163. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone for this week. So do mark this level and do consider this level while placing trades and taking target or stop loss as a level. So before I talk about my opinion USDJPY for this week, if you don't have enough capital or if you want to trade in Forex market, then you can open a profile account where you can buy challenges and you can get funding where you can easily trade and earn money. If you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. But if you feel this prop firm or you know about prop firms and if you feel this prop firms has very strict rules, then you can also open your own live account which is in GTC FX. I have already given link in the description. You can open your account from there and you can fund your own Forex account. You can start with $10 as well in that Forex account. So if you are interested in that, you can also use the link given in the description. I also share discount coupon codes for the prop firm links where you can use those coupon codes and use the maximum discounts that is available on those prop firm. So if you are interested, then do use that discount coupon codes and link. And if you have any issue regarding trading, investing, prop firms or live account or for withdrawal or deposit, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with the same. So now let's talk about my opinion in USDJPY for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 162 to 162.253. I'm expecting a negative move. But if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 162.5 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets close above this, then you can go for a long till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.